Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Jaime in Carolina. Jaime, so let me just give you a quick update here. I sent you a few pictures and we spoke already, but here is the update for the Egas. This is your Egas here, and my worries are confirmed because you had severe damages in wires. They were like totally burnt out, and as you can see, both throttle bodies are repaired right now, and they're connected to one of the modules that I repaired before. This is a 129 module, but it doesn't matter. And for test purposes, it's perfectly fine. Now, this is normal opening. They open not all the way on the bench. On the vehicle, I'll show you what final stages where when I will be ready to mail them back. And then I'll show you the operation of all three units in the vehicle, so you know that they are in working condition and ready to go. For now, I'm still gonna have to test the internals here, but that's later. Right now, the video is about the gas module. So as you can see, both units work right now, and I want to make it sort of stationary on a tripod here, so you can see that I'm doing this live. So here is the connector for power. Let me just pull this out. Okay, so as you can see, both throttles are not working, so because no power to the module. So I'll plug it back in right now. So I plugged it back in, and both throttles do work. Now, let's just do your module. Let's connect your module first. I mean, second rather. This is the test module, it works. Here is my power. Here is the main connector here. I don't know if you can see on the video, but here's the main connector. As you can see, all the wires, they go to your throttles. Okay, so that's where these throttles are connected to. So again, just want to show you my live operation here, so you know that there is nothing edited here. So this is your module. You see there's number 3 on it, or that's how it came. So we're going to plug it in, right? Okay, and the power plug goes on. See, one throttle activated real quick, second one did not. So now, see, the power is on, and we only have activation on one unit. Passenger side is not activating. Also, there was no self-check for throttle plates. That is abnormal also. So maybe that is the reason why you even made it home, because one throttle still would open, so you would have half power, because it's still active, but the other one is totally flat. So let me just unplug it and plug it in again, just so you see the difference. Well, not the difference, but double, just make it a couple of tries. So see, plug the power back on. So there is no test, like the throttle plates did not move to get into position, so that's not good. Second one completely silent, nothing is happening on the secondary one. Actually, maybe there's a coil activation. Let me hear that. Let me just put it to my ear. Oh yeah, okay, good. So at least the coil activates on this one, but the motor circuit is totally fried. So let's do it again. Yes, so because I just plugged it in after repairing your throttle, and just wanted to see what's happening with your Egas. So Egas, obviously, it needs to be looked into. So I'm going to do the Egas. I'm going to look into this one next. Hopefully it's not very serious, so we can rejuvenate it, we can bring it back to life. So this one. Alright, let's plug the good module in right now, so you see the test. And well, you already seen it, but one more time. As you can see, when units activate, this one closes, this one opens, and then they synchronize. So that's how it's supposed to be. So basically, this is all I wanted to show you for now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave these to break in, because the motor brushes. In the driver's side, it's new brush. I made custom brushes for the driver's side unit, and the brushes are original in this one, but this one is easy to remove, so I don't, it takes a long time to make brushes. So I'm gonna leave these units energized like such, so let them be working while I'm doing Egas module, because the more they work, the more brushes break in. Let's just make it a little faster here. So this is basically what I wanted to show you. So the Egas module also failed, and it's a very weird failure though, because like you saw, only one unit still activated. Usually it doesn't happen. Usually both of them shut off. And in your case, it is strange that one was still working. I've seen other bizarre situations, of course. I've seen the slave unit working, the primary one would not. So yeah, so this is where we are. So I'm gonna go and work on this one next. Here's your name here. I'll go open this up and see what I find. Hopefully I can fix this, and you're gonna have yourself a working set of 2 throttles and Egas, because that's the only way to go. Alright, so this is it. This is Victor for now. I'm done for now. This is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.